Start recording. What is up, YouTube and TikTok? So, I'm gonna show you how to make a quick TikTok, Instagram reel, Facebook reel, vertical video. So, I'm using Movavi Video Editor Plus. Let's just do a random videos. So, let's go to Rocket League. I got a bunch of clips I gotta make. Let's just do this one. I don't know. I don't remember what this one is. So, put the clip in, right? And you can resize this too. I don't know if you use Movavi, but you can resize this. And right here, I like to have this big, the video big, so I can get a precise point where I want to clip and edit. Oh yeah, overtime goal. Okay, so we go there. It looks like it right here. Oh.
Yeah, baby.
Got Mr. Grimm in here with me. Yes, sir. The dynamic duo.
Let's go.
Alright. So that's the clip. So you want to clone it. You right click on this. Right click, clone, or Control D when you have it highlighted or selected. But yeah, you drag it to the top, and here, I want to show you something too. So what if you have multiple clips? Let's see, plus button, add media file. Hopefully you guys, let's see, let's just add another one. Actually, no, I won't do that. I'll do this. I'll do an example with just this. So if you need to cut, yeah, if you need to cut the video or clip the video in certain spots, and you want to make the TikTok like this, you can just clone, leave those highlighted, drag up, and it'll put them all together. Boom. So now, it's the same thing. You know what I mean? So, we didn't really do anything. So you want to highlight both of these, overlap. I like to do overlap. And you don't have to crop manually. So you want to come over here to the drop down, click on it, drop down menu, Instagram story, IGTV, and then TikTok. Click that, and it'll change it. And Movavi's gonna crash. Okay, it's gonna crash real quick. So we gotta reopen it, and then it'll be where we left off. You hit yes. So what we were doing, oh cool, you can't see it. I don't gotta move my camera. Video editing, crop, and rotate. So what I was showing you. So you select this. You want to crop it to the TikTok standard or whatever. You don't have to do anything. So you just come down here, 9:16. You click that. It's not gonna show anything. It's gonna show this. And you just click up here, crop and rotate, boom. And it's instant, it's automatic. You don't have to do anything, just hit apply. So you don't have to manually, I was manually cropping and cropping it every clip. And I didn't know you could just click that, and then click crop and rotate, and it'll automatically give you the aspect ratio, which is awesome. Saves a lot of time. Let's see. Next, overlay. Click overlay. What I like to do first is go to right here, filters, blur, intense blur. Oh, highlight all three of these so it'll apply to all three. Boom. So now you have like a blur background. You'll see in a minute. And then you want to highlight these because these are going to be on the. This is the video that's going to be seen. Also, don't forget to mute this clip because you're going to have like double or loud audio if you don't mute one of the clips. I'm going to drag that bit in the middle. Boom. Now it gives it a nice little border, you know. And then really transitions if you want. Blur in, blur out. Just make it look smooth, you know. So what it's gonna look like.
Baby. Let's go.
Yeah, that's really that's about it. And then what you want to do when you export, so you give it a title, you know, overtime goal with my best friend. I like to do high, go to advanced. Now frame rate 60. I do quality, I do that, but then I do auto. I don't think it really does anything. I just leave that the same. Don't touch this because that's the aspect ratio resolution of the TikTok. So you want to leave that. So it'll export in that resolution. You hit OK. It's gonna be 61 megabytes. Start. Boom. And now you have your TikTok or YouTube short. And that's it. Boom. So, if this video helped you, hopefully it's recording. Yeeks. Skipped frames. But hopefully that's probably not good. Oh well. Well, if this video helped you, hit that like. If you want to share it to somebody so they know how to make a TikTok or YouTube short, you can do that too. Leave a comment if you have any questions. I'm Colosopher, and peace out.